Hello, my name is Oliver. Are you dealing with large data amounts and complex systems? I would like to show you our tool OMrun. Grab a coffee, have a seat, and please join.
Let's have a look on OMrun Tree. The tree on the left side of OMrun gives a logical overview of all defined elements of the current business system. Each icon represents an element which can be modified and used within OMrun. Test environments have a red icon. An environment keeps database access details and user-defined variable values. Test scenarios have a green icon with an arrow pointing down. A scenario lists all objects for a defined order to execute them one after the other. Components have a dark blue icon. A component is a structural element to group a few test objects together. Test data objects have a fair blue icon with a database sign. A data object is able to query data from one or two structured data sources like databases or files. The classical use case is the compare of two data sources. Test program objects have a fair blue icon with an arrow pointing right. A program object starts an internal plugin or an external executable with its defined parameters. The search function is located above the tree pane. The search field helps to find the elements on the tree quicker. Start typing into that field will reduce the listed elements on the tree instantly.
Thanks for watching. There are much more tutorials to check out. Happy comparing and see you next time.